Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, help me out and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, or maybe share with a friend. Those all really help out the channel a lot. So today's product I want to share with you is a butane torch. I picked this up on Amazon, so I will include a link in the description that'll take you to the product page. But it is a company called Homitt. This is the box that it's going to arrive in. If you are new to butane torches, they're great for, I personally use it for cooking. So we're going to make some creme brulee here in a minute to just kind of show you it in action. But you can use it for cocktails, especially like burning the tips of cinnamon. You can use it if you're going camping or you want to light something instead of a traditional lighter, or candles, all that kind of stuff. And then besides cooking, a lot of people use it also for cigars. I'm not a cigar smoker, but it does help light those a little bit easier. So there's a lot of multiple uses if you are in the market for one. So this particular brand by Homitt here, once you open it up, this is what you get. It is a nice solid build, fits comfortably in the hand. It's all got like aluminum casing here. So it don't have to worry about any damaging from the heat. It includes this nice little safety latch here that you put in. So when you're not using it, it's not going to accidentally trigger, which is important. Then on the side here, you have a fuel gauge, which will lower it or increase the flame speed if you need. And then at the bottom here is where you refill it. Now, it does come empty, so when you first get it, you're going to want to basically use their included adapters, which are these little guys right here, to purge out any extra air out of there. You're also going to want to do that typically between refills, just because sometimes as you use it over time, air will leak in there. So you want to purge the chamber, make sure it is empty, and you can use these little guys by pushing that little nozzle in there. And letting that air out. They also, depending on your refill tanks, this works with all universal butane refills, but sometimes depending on the adapters of the canisters, they include these so that way you can slide them on and use these in case the one on the can doesn't work. I'll include a link also. You can buy butane on Amazon, so I'll include a link, but you can also pick these up at any major kind of retail stores. So I got this little guy right here. And as you can see, it already has the adapter, which works perfectly fine, but they also include in the lid other adapters for different types of lighters. But essentially, you're going to turn this upside down, push this in, and then you'll push it down in like 20-second bursts, and then let the gas kind of settle, and you'll have a gauge here on the side, which will tell you when it's full. You don't want to go over that maximum fill, but really simple to fill up and use. Overall, the other things with the torch here, it is very hot, so it is 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is definitely packing the heat. Like I said, it's very comfortable to use, which is great for when cooking. Just naturally fits in your hand. And it provides a continuous heat, which is what I like. You know, the flame does not flicker or anything like that. And then they say you should only use this to keep from damaging the device from 20 to 50 minutes. For all the uses I use, I can't see using it over even 20 minutes. But just keep that in mind if you are using this guy. That is in the instructions. But let me kind of show you the flame here. So we took off the safety. It's very, all you do is hit that down and it will light away. This is on the medium setting. So to do low, it goes really low there. And then to put it all the way on high, and that is on high. Now you know you have a good fuel source when you have a nice dark kind of blue flame there. If you have a lot of the orange, then you may not have a good butane fuel. But yeah, so this is basically it. Very easy to use. Great little device if you are in the market. Like I said, I'll include a link in the description for you to check it out. Now let's go ahead and let's cook up some creme brulee so you can see this thing in action on how I like to use it. All right, so we have made some creme brulee off camera here, but I want to show you kind of just the torching process of them, so that way you kind of see how effective the torch works. So we've got our torch here, we got our creme brulee with our sugar that we're going to melt, get our flame going. And then we just sit here and melt the sugars. There you go. As you can see, nice, perfect browned, and worked like a charm. So like I said, I will include a link in the description if you want to check out this product for yourself. And, feel free to hit me up in the comment section if you have any questions or comments. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.